In this video, I will show you how you can create a manual test case from a GraphWalker model. So usually GraphWalker model are used to generate automated tests, but at some point it might be useful to generate such a manual test. So the first things to do is to update a little bit our graph model. We have here a kind of loop that we want to avoid in our manual test. So let's update a little bit it. So we're going to block this edge and save. Here we're going to have a very simple path. So the goal of this test is to verify that when a user writes a search term in a web page and press enter, the correct page is displayed with the correct result. So have a look at the first edge. So we ask to start a browser. Then we want to verify that the browser is started. Then we want to enter a URL. And we verify that the correct page is displayed. Then we want to enter a search word. And then we want to verify that the results are correct. So let's start to create the manual test. We use a configuration, which is manual test launcher. Click new button. We just select the manual test project. We select the model. We select the path generator. And that's it. We will run the wizard. So here basically we have the summary of the test with few details. So here we have two options, whether we want to really execute the test and persist the result we would obtain, or we want to generate a template. In this tutorial, we're going to choose to generate a template, so we won't execute the test and won't put any result. So here we can see the description of the first action. Then we can move forward and can see the verification and so on. Here we can see the result of the test. So we have a column named description where we can find some actions or verifications. Next, we want to export it as a test template. Just give a name to the file. Enter our workbook title, my campaign, a case ID, component name, and a priority for the manual test, and just click finish. As you can see here, I've just generated a spreadsheet. I'm double clicking on it to display it. As you can see here, we've generated two pages. The first one is the summary of the test, and the second is the test case itself with the actions and expected result. So in this video, I show you how you can easily create a manual test with a GraphWalker model, even though a GraphWalker model are used to generate automated tests. Thank you.